Hey, welcome to Augmented Technologies. This is Jay, and I'm going to be doing a review on Beats Fit Pro. These new buds come in with pretty good features. First off, there's a new design. It has the wingtips that fit inside your ear. Now, I like this because it doesn't clamp. It doesn't feel weird in your ear. You don't have to cram it inside, and also you don't have to hook it on the outside. Plus, these are truly wireless earbuds in the sense that you don't have to have a wire connected for them to work. They work separately. They work great. Also, they have the surround sound, the spatial audio. So it comes with the dynamic head tracking where you turn your head from left to right and it tracks the sound to keep the audio where the audio source is. So this is supposed to make music, movies, and games more immersive. Now next we have the two listening modes. You have active noise canceling and you have transparency. Active noise canceling, just pushing out, making sure to close out any other sound except the sound coming through the buds. And if you want sound to come in, transparency mode. Next, you have also the Apple H1 chip inside these buds. So I believe, I'll check and see if they are, but I believe they're the same chip that's in the Apple AirPods. And next you have your battery life. So you have the 6 hours of listening time, and it can be boosted to 18 hours along with the case. So charging in the case extends the life. You also have fast fuel, or what they call fast fuel. In other words, 5 minutes of charging can bring you up to an hour of playback. And of course, they're sweat and water resistant. I want to say IPX4 rated. Okay, so it comes in the usual packaging from Beats. Very well packaged. I want to say I'm just going to go ahead and tear these off on the bottom. So here we go. Here's the Beats Fit Pro. So inside the box here you have your ear tips, your extra ear tips, and you have your USB cable. Also, you have the Beats and Apple stickers. Here's the Beats sticker and some information. The instruction booklet on how to get started, but they usually make them so simple you can just use them right out the box. Here goes your tips. You come with 2 sets of extra ear plugs, not the tips, I'm sorry. And now here we go with the actual buds. So we go ahead, open them, and there they are. They look real nice, the matte black, the 2 buds. And as I open it, it immediately starts looking for the phone or whatever device they're supposed to be connected to. The rubber tips, they're somewhat soft and they're soft and firm type feel. As you can see, this is the shaking. As you can see, while I shake them, they stay in pretty well. I'm assuming if you shake them hard enough, they'll fall out. But just casual shaking doesn't they don't fall out. So they have pretty strong magnets. So these are the Earbud Pros. Now, these the Earbud Pros, I've been using them for about about 3 months, and they work real well. I've taken them to the gym and they work well. They stayed in my ears while doing stretching, sit-ups, doing some running on the treadmill, and working out. Also, just today, I did some work on my car. I was up under the car and they stayed in. These work great, and the sound is terrific. You have an actual button there on the side, so you can actually feel when you click, and it has your standard one click for start. Also for answering the phone, and you have your double click for forward, triple click for back, and press and hold for noise cancellation, toggling on and off. I love the noise cancellation whenever I need it. It does pretty well. Now, I haven't tried them on an airplane, so I can't speak to that, but to be honest, I don't think I haven't heard of or seen many earbuds that can stand up to over-the-ear earphones for flying. So other than that, if you're going to be using these for the gym, I highly recommend them. These are great, and they're great for everyday use. I love them. I've been using them for a while. They've replaced all my other buds, and I can't say enough about them. They're great. So if you're looking for new buds, and definitely if you're looking for them for the gym, I highly recommend these. So this is Jay with Augmented Technologies. This is my review of the Beats Fit Pro. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, subscribe, and have a good day.